You are paying $20 a month for Claude Max, and you don't even know there is a free way to run Claude Code with a model that is actually beating it on benchmarks. I am going to show you exactly how to set that up in under 5 minutes, and by the end of this video, Claude is going to write a full web page for us live. Stay with me because this one is actually insane. Welcome back to Latest Tech Talks. If you are new here, glad you found us. We cover the stuff that actually matters in AI right now. Every link and command in this video is in the description. Let's go! Step 1. Download Ollama. Link is in the description. Go to their website, grab the installer for your system, run it. Done. When you open it up, you will see this clean little launcher with a sidebar showing new chat, launch, and settings. First, run Ollama signout to clear any old session. Then run Ollama signin and log in with your account. Step 2. Install Claude Code. Again, link is in the description. This is Anthropic's official agentic coding tool, and it is what we are using as the interface today. Install it and come back. Step 3. Open your terminal or command prompt. Now, step 4. This is the command that makes everything click together. Run this. And you are in. Claude Code is now live and running on the Kimi K2.6 cloud model through Ollama's infrastructure. Your data stays private, by the way. Ollama does not train on it. Now let's actually use this thing. I gave it one prompt. Generate an HTML file using Tailwind CDN that thanks everyone for watching the video. Watch what happens. It plans it, writes it, styles it, done. A full working HTML file from a single sentence. No back and forth, no boilerplate, just output. That is what agentic AI actually looks like when it is working properly. So, to recap, free or pro Ollama, install Claude Code, sign in, run that one command, and you have one of the most powerful open source coding models in the world running inside Claude Code right now. Now, quick heads up, and this is important. The free tier of Ollama is great for getting started, but it does restrict access to the more powerful cloud models like Kimi K2.6. If you want the full experience, and honestly I think you should, pick up Ollama Pro. The usage is near infinite for a single user. Think about that for a second. Unlimited agentic AI coding sessions. No per-token billing, just flat access. For what you are getting, I genuinely think it is one of the best deals in AI right now. Link is in the description. So here is the context before we dive in. Kimi K2.6 from Moonshot AI dropped recently, and it is an open-source coding model that is straight-up outperforming Claude and GPT 5.4 on key coding benchmarks. And now there is even a K2.7 code version that just released last week with 21% better coding performance and 30% fewer thinking tokens. Developers on Hacker News are calling it the best open-source coding model right now, and we are going to run it inside Claude Code through Ollama for almost nothing. If this saved you time or money, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more. We post this kind of stuff every week. Drop a comment if you want me to go deeper on Kimi K2.7 code, because that one is even more wild. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.